Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you about my project, that is task management system or project management system, which I have developed using the technologies Spring Boot for the backend, React.js for the front end, MySQL for the database, Maven for the project and the dependency management, and Bootstrap for the styling purpose. So the softwares which I have used for developing the projects are, so the first one is STS or Spring Tool Suite for the backend development, backend Spring Boot application development. Second one is VS Code. So for the front end development, I have used VS Code for the development, and for the MySQL, I have used MySQL Workbench for the query and the data manipulation. User modules present in the project. So the project basically contains three modules. The first one is administrator module, the second one is project manager module, and the third one is employee module. Functional modules present in the project. So the very first and the important module is user authentication module. The second module is project manager module. The third one is employee module, and the last and the very important module is project module. So now let's see the basic overview of the project. So as we know, project contains three modules, that is admin, the project manager, and the employee. So admin will firstly register and log in into the system. After the admin login, now admin can add the project managers into the system. And now since project managers are registered into the system, they can log in at any time, and after the login they can register the employee. So now basically admin, project manager, and employee got registered into the system. And now let's suppose admin gets any project from the client, so he can basically add that project in the system by giving the requirement description and the project deadline. Okay, and after adding the project into the system, admin can basically assign this project to any one of the manager who is capable of doing that project. So now since this project is assigned to the manager, that manager can basically log into the system, and now he will be able to see the project which is assigned to him by the admin. Now after reading the project description, the requirement, and the deadline date, project manager can assign this project to the employee who is capable of doing that. So he will assign this project to employee, and now once that employee will log in into the system, so he will be able to see the project which is assigned to him by the project manager. So now at any time employee can update the project status based on the project status, like whether he is working on it or the project is completed. So based on the status, he can update the project status now. And once employee updates the project status, now this status will be visible to the project manager and as well as the admin. So this was the basic overview of the project, and now let's see the complete project in detail. But before that, I would like to request you guys to please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. It takes lots of time for the development of such type of project, and especially in this project I have added lots of functionality which will be very useful for the students can use this for learning purpose, and they can also refer this to create their own project. So please do subscribe my channel, it will motivate me to create more such type of project for you guys. And now without wasting any time, let's see the complete project in detail. So for that, let's go to the other side. So this is our backend Spring Boot application which I have developed using STS or Spring Tool Suite, as I've already mentioned. And we can see that here the Maven structure, as I've already mentioned, like I have used Maven for the project and the dependency management. So we can see the pom.xml file here, and let's also see the packages which I have created. So we can see here the config, controller, DAO, entity, filter, utility, all these packages I have created. And here we have our application.properties file where I have configured for our MySQL connection. Now let's also see our front end code. So here we have our front end React.js project. Okay, we can see the project structure here. I have created multiple components here, okay, as we can see here. So now without wasting any time, let's run our project. So firstly I will run the backend, then I'll run the front end. So for running the backend Spring Boot application, simply right click on the project, then click on the run as Spring Boot app. Okay, so our task management system application got started on port 8080. Okay, so once our backend application is running fine, what we can do is we can simply open the browser and we can simply hit the URL swaggerui.html. Okay, and here we should be able to see all the APIs which I have created in the backend. Okay, so I can open here. So as we can see here, I have created multiple APIs here. Okay, so now without wasting any time, let's run our front end code also. So for that, we simply have to run the command npm start, hit enter, and now it will also run. Okay, so now our React application is also running fine, and we can also see our project UI on the browser. Since our application is running fine, we can see the complete project in detail. So this is our home page, we can say our project's landing page, and in the navigation bar we can see we have got one option called user login. Okay, so by using this, admin, employee or manager can log in into the system. Okay, but let's go with the flow as I have shown in the overview. So firstly we'll register admin. Okay, so for admin register we have one separate URL, that is user admin login, sorry, user admin register. So from here we can register our admin. So I will register the admin from here, and whatever data I'll use here will be the dummy. Okay, register user, admin registered successfully, and from here we can log in as admin now. So I will use the same email ID here, enter the correct email ID, login, login successful. Okay, so after the admin login, we can see we have got multiple options in the navigation bar, that is register manager, add project, all projects, view managers, view all employees, change password and logout. Okay, so firstly let's register manager. Register user, manager registered successful. After that I will click on the view managers, and from here we can see admin can view all the managers which is present in the system. Okay, and at any time admin can delete any manager from here by clicking on the remove button. Okay, so I will remove the uh, third manager. Okay, demo manager 20. So I will click on the remove button here, user deleted successful, and we can see that manager got disappeared from here. Okay, similarly admin can view all the employees which is present in the system and which are added by the manager. Okay, and from here admin can also delete the employees by clicking on the remove button. Okay, so that we will see in the later part of the video. Okay, but as of now let's add one project in the system. Okay, so I will give the name as demo project website. In the project description I will write develop demo project, professional website. Project requirement is use React JS for website development. Project deadline I will keep as 20th. Then I will click on the add project. Project added successfully, and from here admin can view all the projects which is added by him. Okay, so till now admin has added 4 projects in the system. Okay, so if we click on all projects also, then also we will be able to see the same data. Okay, so till now admin has added 4 projects in the system, sorry, five projects. Okay, just now we have added this project. Okay, And if we say here, admin have got one option here, that is assign to manager. Okay, so from here admin can assign this project to the manager. Okay, but before that, let's see one more functionality, that is search functionality. Admin can search the project by the project name or by using the project ID. Okay, so let's search the project by ID. I will give 4, client website. Okay, if I give 5 here, then okay, this is our project which we have added. And if I write here website, project name as website, then we have got 3 option here. And if we write demo project search, then we can see we have got our latest project which admin has added just now. Okay, and one more thing here, admin can see the complete detail about that project which he has added. Okay, like the manager assigned status, that is not assigned, and the main thing is here is the project status. Okay, that is we can see here not assigned to manager. So basically it is indicating admin that he have to assign this project to manager. Okay, and we can see here manager assigned status is not assigned, employee assigned status not assigned. Okay, project created date is this one. Okay, and project assigned date is not assigned, and project deadline date is on this date. Okay, so now I will assign this project to one manager. Okay, so admin can click on the assign to manager button, and here he will be able to see the complete detail about the project. Okay, like project name, description, when it was created, and the deadline, and assign project to manager. Okay, admin will get option to select the manager from here. Okay, whom he want to assign this project. Okay, so and one more thing I noted here is this date is not correct, so I will fix that. Okay, that is not a big deal. Okay, so yeah, basically admin can see the complete detail about the project here. Okay, and from here admin can select the manager whom he want to assign. So I will select the latest manager only which admin has registered. Okay, that is manager 30. So I will click on the update button now and assign project to manager successfully. And now we can see our demo project website project status is not assigned to employee because admin has assigned this project to the manager. Okay, but manager is not assigned this project to any employee till now. Okay, so yeah, so now we can see the manager name is this, admin can see the manager name, and the manager assigned status is also assigned to manager, and employee assigned status is not assigned. Okay, that means manager have to log in now and have to assign this project to employee. And one more thing here is, if any project is not assigned to manager here, okay, in the admin side, then he is getting the option to assign to manager button. Okay, but if it is already assigned to some manager, so in that case we are not getting the button here. So yeah, now let's log out as an admin and log in as a manager. So we'll click on the logged out, and again I will click on the user login. I will select the role as manager now, and I will log in as that manager whom admin has assigned the project. Okay, the demo project website. So I will use the same email ID of the manager. Login, logged in successfully. And after the manager login, we have got multiple options again in the navigation bar, that is my projects, register employee, view all employees, change password, and log out. Okay, so firstly let's see the my project. So now manager can basically see all the project which is assigned to him by the admin. Okay, and by using the project name, manager can search the project also which is assigned to him by the admin. So now I will search here app. Okay, search, we are not getting any project here. Okay, now if I search demo project search, okay, we have got the project name here. Okay, which is assigned to him. Now manager can also see the complete detail about the project because this is assigned to him, right? So now the manager assigned status is assigned to manager. Okay, but the employee assigned status is not assigned, and project status is also not assigned to employee. So what this is indicating to manager is that he has not assigned this project to any employee till now. Okay, and we have got the option to assign to employee button. So we will assign this project to one of the employee, but before that let's register one employee. Okay, employee registered successfully. Now after this, manager can click on view all employees, and here he will be able to see all the employees in the system. Okay, and we can see our employee, that is employee 30, which manager has registered just now. Okay, and at any time manager can remove the employee from the system by clicking on the remove button. So let's remove this employee, that is demo employee 2, and click on the remove button. User deleted successfully, and it should get disappear now. Okay, so got disappeared. And now let's assign that demo project to this employee. Okay, so let's click here my projects and click on the assign to employee button, and from here manager can select the employee. Okay, employee 30, I will select this, click on the update button, assign project to employee successfully. And now we can see here, previously we were getting one button, that is assigned to employee button. Okay, but now we are not getting that because now manager has assigned this project to employee, and now the project status is pending. So now this pending status is indicating that this project is assigned to employee now. Okay, and now he is working on it, and this is pending from his side. So now I will log out as a manager and log in as an employee. So I will click on the user login, select the role as employee, and I will log in as that employee whom manager has assigned the project. Enter correct email. Logged in successfully. And after the employee login, we can see we have got two options in the navigation bar, that is my projects and change password. So I will click on the my projects, and here employee will be able to see the project which is assigned to him. Okay, so again he can search the project by name. Okay, if I write here app search, will not get any project here, but if I write demo, then we'll get the project here. And now here employee can see the complete project detail. Okay, like when this project was created, when this was assigned to the manager, and what is the project deadline along with the project status. So now it is pending, that means employee has to work on this project. So now based on the project completion status, employee can click on the update project status, and from here he can update the status at any time. So let's suppose now he is working, so I will click on the working and click on the update status, project status updated, and now the project status is working. Okay, so but still we are getting this option. Why? Because till now this project is not completed yet. Okay, so again, so let's suppose the employee has completed this project, then at that time what employee can do is he can select the status as completed and update status, and now we can see project status is completed, and here we are not getting any option to update the status because this project is completed now. So now let's log out as an employee, and let's log in as admin to check the status from his side. Logged out, user login, select role as admin, enter the correct email, login. Okay, so I will click on all projects, I will search my project name which I want to search. Then here the project status is completed. That means the project which was created, now it is completed. And after this, admin, manager or employee can change their password at any time. Okay, so let's change the password for admin. So here we can see the user email ID, user contact number, and I will change the password here. I have entered the new password here. I will click on the change password now. Okay, password changed successfully. And after the password change, we have got redirected to the user login page again, because he has changed the password now. So again, I can log in with the new password. Enter the new password, login. Yeah, logged in successfully. So our password also got changed. So this was the complete overview of the project. I hope you guys liked each and every functionalities which I have added in this project. Students can use this project for the learning purpose, or also they can refer this project to create their own project. And also I hope you guys liked the video too. If you did, please do like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. We will meet soon in my next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.